Hi all, it's Rick Rosendahl, the Router Workshop, and today what we're going to do is take a look at the back end of the Router Workshop. We just finished the soft launch with a group of about 300 and got 107 signed up, and looks good. What we want to do is look at the back end and see what you think. And this is going to my YouTube channel, and essentially gives you a chance to look at the back end, see how it goes. And so let's take a quick look at the back end of Router Workshop Online. All right, here's the first page when you look at it. And it's got all the episodes so that you can see them as they are there. There's 183 episodes, so that's quite a few. And in it, each one that's there's lots to learn about how to use the router. And I did a Zoom meeting. You saw that last post, but that was back in November. And essentially what I did was I worked with Dominic, and what we did was we made a 1/4-inch spacer fence, and then from the making of the jig, we made the Rabbet dado joint and box joints, and we did a little bit going on the outside of the edge. We went ahead and did a cross lap joint. Anyways, I showed you the different joints that were being made in the last video back in November. Today what I want to do is just go through the back end of the Router Workshop and give you a good overview of how it works. So the first step is, if you decide to do this, is to register. And by registering, you select the basic plan, which is $9.95 a month, and you get 15 episodes per month, one every 2 days. And there's no one-time fee or anything. The instant access one, that's $6.95 per month, and the one-time fee of $99 for the license, and you get all the videos. Okay, and then from there, what you can do for $6.95 is watch the videos. You can watch any number that you wish to. I'm hoping that you don't watch too many of them, because I got to pay for each one that you watch. So that's why the $6.95. It's not that I'm making a lot of money on this. It's that I'm able to show you the different shows and what they are. So let me log in. And I'm going to log in. There we are. I'm logged in here. There we are. I'm logged in. Okay, so login is real easy once you've got your setup done. And watching the shows, just pick the one you want to watch. And I'm just going to pick one. Let's pick the Series 300, and we're talking about making kitchen cabinet doors. And I'm going to start it, and essentially what we've got here is, I'm going to pause it for a second, and it has some writing on what is being done on this particular show. And on this one here, we're making a raised panel door, but we're making it out of 1/4-inch router bits. We got a 1/4-inch straight bit, a 1/4-inch roundover bit, a 3/4-inch flat bottom bit, and a 3/8 rabbeting bit. And those are the bits we're using to make the raised panel door. That's not bad for that kind of router bit. Anyways, that's the setup. How it works is
panel doors with standard router bits? It's true. On today's episode, Bob and Rick will show you the easy way to make an attractive panel door for any cabinet. Bob shows how to mortise the stiles, cut the tenons, create the frame, and give it style with beading and rounding techniques. And Rick has tips on making your tenons longer and rabbeting out the face of the panel. A kitchen cabinet door on today's Router Workshop.
And that's what we have for today's Router Workshop. You can move into the show, and
I chucked up a bit.
I'm just going to take the noise off so I can talk while we're doing it. You can chuck up the bed, set up the heights. It shows you how to do that. I've proven that what I can do on a Zoom meeting is go ahead and show you how to do it using just the Router Workshop videos. Now, when you look at this, we don't talk about how you can cut your pieces. We don't talk about how you can joint your pieces. We don't talk about how you can plane the pieces. We're using router-ready project pieces and just talking about how to use the router. So, let's look at some of the features here. You got picture-in-picture, which is can be seen on top of any other application that you're working on. We've got, and take the picture-in-picture back off again. We've got full size, which you can do anytime you want. I had one guy tell me that the quality isn't any good, but you got to remember when I built these was 1995, and the kind of cameras that are available back then are a lot different than they got today. So 1995 is a long time ago. So that's basically, and the projects and things that we're doing here are evergreen because you can still route anyways. So we're going to move on to another video. So let's go up to the episodes. Back out to the episodes. Pick the one you want to look at. Watch as many as you want. What happens is on the other one is it gives you 2 videos. The basic system gives you 2 videos every day. And that's for the month. But they go in order. When you do the instant access, what you can do is you can instant access anytime you want to. You can watch any one of the videos and move on throughout the whole library. So anyways, that's it for today. Let's move back to the talking head. And that's it for today on the Router Workshop. I hope you all get a chance to come to Router Workshop. That's www.routerworkshop.com, and visit us and maybe sign up and watch the videos on our video library. Anyways, that's it for today. That's a wrap. Thanks.